Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this brand new Forest River Forester 2018. Really great layout here. We've got perfect for the family, lots of sleeping space everywhere. Or storage space if you want to, if you're just a couple who need a lot of room. Really great unit, lots of counter space here. Got a nice big dinette. Got control panels here, so your slides will be controlled on a automatic device like that. Push of a button. Very light colors throughout. Alright, so this does have the Ride Right air helper spring, so more smooth ride going down the road. Sits on a Ford chassis. Of course, comes with slide toppers as well. So if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to give us a call at the number above. Thanks so much.